Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Feel free to join the family. And to my old subscribers, thank you. May God bless you. Today I'm going to be showing you my new gas cooker, unboxing my new gas cooker, because my hubby got it for me. It was a surprise. Yes guys, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, this is the gas cooker. It has been long I wanted to get this gas cooker, but as you all know, it was too expensive, so I just take my mind off it. But I was so surprised that my husband got it for me, so they're just bringing it in today. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm going to arrange it, and I will be showing you a little bit how I own it as well. He also go ahead and got me some pots, some fry pans and all that. Wow, I'm super excited. So enough of the talking, so let me just show you my new gas cooker, guys. So this is the first one, I think. Wow guys, this is really nice. It's really nice. Yes guys, this is how it looks, and this is my pot. Look at that guys. Look at my new pot and my new fry pan. So guys, you'll be expecting more goodies from me now that I have my dream gas cooker. So you'll be expecting more goodies, okay? So yeah, that is it, and I'm going to show you how I own it as well, guys. Oh, least I forgot. Now I got my bigger oven. This is the first time, so I think I gotta take off the sellotape and everything. Yes guys, this is the paper and everything, so I'll just take my time to learn it, how to use it. This is my first time of using this kind of big gas cooker, guys. So yeah, that is it. So I'm just going to show you how I own it. I think I press here, and yeah, that is it guys. So that is how I own it. Now I don't need my matches, I don't need the lighter to just on my gas. I can just press it and I'll just on my gas. That is what is really excited about this my new gas cooker. So yes guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Till I come your way next time guys, stay blessed and bye bye.